Welcome back to my Lister D restoration project. Today, I think I'm going to try get my pulley off this engine with this gear puller that I have. I had a few issues before, last time I tried to get it off with the gear puller, but I believe that's because I wasn't using it properly. So I've got it on now. I've got it on a different way to how I had it before, so I'll just show you that. So before I had these ones coming over the top, but the bar here was hitting this and they were just slipping off. So now I've got it, so it's going through these holes onto the inside and it's a much tighter grip. So I'm just gonna get underway. I've started a little bit, but I've looked online and just the major things which people are saying is hit the gear puller instead of just over tightening and tightening it. So I've got my mallet here, and I think I'm just gonna tighten it, then hit it, and then tighten it, and I'll see if I'm able to get any movement. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my breaker bar, and I've got the 16mm socket on it, and I'm just gonna twist it. And also hold on to the flywheel at the same time because it'll move. And then I'm gonna grab the mallet and then just give it some blows to the end of it. Okay, before I show you me getting the pulley off, I really just want to say please subscribe. I won't be uploading that often. It'll be like once every 2 weeks probably, so it really won't interrupt your YouTube schedule videos. And please just like subscribe, leave a like, and if you have anything to say, please comment it. I'll be replying to all the comments. If you have any questions, put them down, but enjoy. Okay, here I've got my brushes. I'm just gonna give it a little brush. While I'm doing this, I have found someone on Facebook which might be able to repair the magneto, which is good. I'm going to give them a phone. No, I'm going to message them soon and just ask them if they're able to do it, because from what it looks like they are taking them in, and it is the same type, the RS1 Lucas. And I think it's just the coil that needs to be replaced, but I've been finding it hard finding people to do it. I might try get a video out just taking it apart and see what people think about that. But back to this. I don't know how good hitting it is for the bearing inside. I've heard that it isn't very good for it. But I really don't want this thing just like snapping off. So if it helps, I mean it. Okay, oh, it's definitely coming off. There's a huge gap now, I'm just going to take some of my WD-40 and just spray it in here. It might make a difference, it might not. Okay, I think this is it coming up to the end now. Final bit. Yeah. Final bit just there. And that's it. Off. There you go, the pulley. And that's it off of the, what's it called, the crankshaft? No, is that crankshaft? And there's the key for it. Should probably be wearing gloves. The key. There's this piece of metal. It might be like a huge washer or something. If you know what it is, put in the comments. So all of those times which I've been putting the WD-40 in, I don't know if it has been penetrating into the thing here. But I've got it off. You can see, I don't know if you will be able to see, that the pin that I said might be a pin, it is a pin. But, let's try to get a light on it. Yeah, you can see it just there. Just there. I don't know if it went the whole way through. No, I don't think it did. It just went under the key there. So that's good. I've got this off. I don't know what size I need for the pump, because the pump runs at 500 RPMs and this runs at 700, I'm pretty sure. So I don't know what size of flywheel I need. I'm pretty sure it's quite a small one. So I will need to find that out and probably buy one if neither of mine fit. There's two pieces of metal which came out with it. One went around the inside and one was next to the key. I guess it just didn't fit right and they need to put that on. I'm just going to clean off the keyway here and have a look and see how good condition it is in. Okay, so here it is. I just cleaned off the pulley was on this bit here. And it's okay. There was a little bit of rust, like surface rust and pitting you can see there, especially on the end. This bit here, from there to here, it wasn't on, so there's quite a lot there. The key way, if it will focus, doesn't look that bad. I'm just gonna wipe it with this towel. I've got my file, which I might use to get any, because this was sitting on it, I don't think it's gonna be that bad. It's just normally if this is left like that the rain can land on it and then rust that away, but that looks pretty smooth. So once again, as I was saying, I really don't know what I'm doing that much. So, like, I'm using a wire brush to clean this, and I don't know if I'm meant to. Like, is it gonna scratch the surface, or is this the best thing to use? I do have two. One's quite thin. So I think I'm just going to add some WD-40 onto this. And see if it goes down the keyway or if it just sits around it. I'm pretty sure you can get like a special tool which takes it off, but it's like £30, and I really don't have that to spend on just getting the flywheel off. So now it comes down to, is it going to be too much hassle that it's worth, or is it worth it? So I think I'm going to end the video there. Once again, please subscribe, leave a like and comment. It's not that much to do, and it really helps out, especially because I'm just starting. I'm going to be uploading a video probably on taking apart the magneto, stripping it down, and then sending away the coil. That might be out in a couple weeks. That's probably going to be the next episode, because it just comes down to what's happening with this flywheel, and that's just something good which can just pass 2 weeks. Yeah, so if you have any questions about just the engine or how I took the pulley off, please put in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. I think that just about wraps up the video. So thank you, and I hope you liked it.